Hey, what's up guys, it's Kimberman from Kimberman Gunpla Studio. Today I have here a non-Gundam model kit from Bandai, which came from the Digital Monster Evolution or the Digimon anime. So I have here the figurized standard amplified version of Alphamon. And I was just curious with this kind of model kit since there are so many Digimon characters that made out or released by Bandai 2 years ago, I think. But just right now, I just bought this Alphamon out of curiosity, and I'm thankful with the seller which sold this Alphamon to me around 1,800 or 900, something like that in Shopee Philippines. And most of the shop that I saw sell this kit around 2,700 above. Which for me a bit overpriced. So thank you very much, seller, for selling this to me with the very fast shipping process. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this Digimon amplified or figurized standard amplified Alphamon will offer us. Time to run. The box art is somehow like the master grade model of Gundam model kits. So it's about the size of your average master grade. Yes. So this it means this kit is big, and I'm very fascinated with the design of this box art here, where this Alphamon is wielding a magical shield. So I'm not familiar with how this thing called in Digimon, since I don't watch Digimon. And yep, it's very nice. It has I like the color variation or the color scheme of this kit, since the black and this gold accents here complement the color scheme for this kit. That's a good combination, the black and gold, and it reminds me with the recent model kit that I built, which is the Gawain from Code Geass. So it has the resemblance because of the color scheme. So that model is also black gold in manner. So on the side of the box, we can see this figure here, which looks like a noble knight or a wizardic knight with this cape here. We can see that the inner face of the cape is dark blue, and the outer face of the cape is white. And there we can see this guy here on its action pose, where the cape is being spread out and he's wielding this magical sword, beam sword here. And there he can pose with this kind of semi-lunging with the shield. I don't know how this is called. It's I can compare it with Saito Hajime's pose, something like that. And there it can wield with this circular magical beam on its hand, the what do you call this? Soul digitalization activation. Yep. So this is the soul digital activation shields, something like that. And there we can see another front view here, where he can hold the beam sword there, magical sword, and that's it. It's the cape. Okay, so if we open the box here, we can see the instruction manual. So let's take a quick look with the instruction manual here. So we got the same picture from the box art, and there we can see some parts list with I can see X or cross on some parts on the runners here, which signifies that these parts can be optional or not be used with the kit. So this is somehow what I hate with Bandai. Whenever I see crosses or X on some parts in the parts list, because it feels like I'm buying a garbage. So again, this is how we can see the instruction manual. There are these digital arrows here, so from the title itself, Digimon, so even the arrows here are digitalized, something like that. And these are in black and white printout, typical printout for Bandai instruction manual there. And so the kit is not so easy or not so hard to build based on my assessment. So this is for me a beginner friendly kit. If you're about to begin your Gunpla experience, you can include this. So, or if you are not so fan of Gundam and you want an easy kit to build, you may start building this kind of Alphamon. Okay, so let's go with the parts here. The packages here contains of black and gold runners with some color correcting stickers, which is very rampant in Bandai, these shipment stickers. Okay, so there we got the gold parts for the accents and black parts for the armor pieces and the hands. Fortunately, I will not use this since I have my Dolly Beetle hands with me. And there we got black parts here with some jewel stickers. So the third pack here, we got some black parts again. The fourth pack, we got black parts and gold parts with this what do you call this? We got the polycaps there, and we got some parts being detached from the runner there. Then fifth pack here, we got black parts again for the joint parts. Sixth pack, we got white and dark blue parts for the cape, I think, and black parts for the inner frame parts. We got some black parts again here and multicolored runner with some red, clear red jewel pieces there and gold parts here. And we got this last pack here. Total of 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 packs. With this one, this is the nicest thing here, the beam sword or the magical sword. Same, it has the similarity with the combined rune god Ray Earth sword. Then we got white parts again here. And so this is the cape part. So this is made out of plastic film, something like that. And yes, we got the assimilation, digitalization, something like that. And so let's start opening the packs. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build this kit. So we got here runner F1 and runner F2 white version, and another version for F1 and F2, which is the blue or dark blue version. So this is for the cape parts. It's up to you whether you use the white or you use the blue one. Okay, then we got this runner D here, black parts, and another runner D. So we got two sets of runner D for black inner frame parts. Then we got this runner H1 and runner H2. So we got two sets of this same stylized runner here with red, white, and black parts, and this one for the sword parts here, runner H1. Then we got this runner E1 for the inner frame parts, black colored. We got this gold colored parts, runner G2 for the gold colored accents of the kit. Under gold colored accents parts here under G1 again. So we got two sets of runner G1 here, I think. No, it's G2 and this one is G1. So there for your gold colored parts. Then we got this black runner here, runner C1 for the hands and booster parts. Then we got this another multicolored parts here, runner A of course, runner A for black here, red parts and gold parts here. Then we got this small runner here, runner E2 for the black parts, runner C2 for booster parts, and this chunky parts here for the legs, runner B, and finally another runner B. So we got two sets of runner B here. Okay, so don't forget this part here, which is the polycaps PC7 for the round polycaps. We got jewel stickers, blue one, and foil stickers for color correcting purposes. Then we got this I forgot to open this thing here. So let's open this thing. For the wings or cape parts, we got here this digital simulation beam effect part, which is a round piece of clear plastic with this design of some like gothic print out with some punch of hole there for the hand to insert. And there we got this plastic cellophane parts for the cape. Okay, so there's an instruction here: remove slowly and carefully. So we're about to peel it up here on this film. So I will not try to detach this since this is very sensitive as I observe. Okay, so again, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Thank you very much for watching this unboxing of Alphamon from Digimon Evolution. And this is your Bandai figurized standard amplified version of Alphamon. See you next time and thank you for watching. Masalama, auf Wiedersehen. Paalam sa inyong lahat.